Arkane Dual may at first glance look like a standard high-speed heat assist laminator. The temperature goes up to 140 degrees Celsius, which helps deliver more pressure for UV prints and other industrial applications. It also has a high-speed output, which other competitors have as well. Yet, speed alone doesn't equal high productivity and quality. Loading rolls onto the laminator and subsequent waste are major issues with most laminators, not with the Kala Arkane Dual. What makes the Kala Arkane Dual a true one-of-a-kind is that it stores multiple rolls of print and lamination on the unit for ultimate efficiency and productivity. This means, instead of spending time loading rolls on and off the laminator and wasting lots of material, with the Kala Arkane, up to 6 rolls can be on the machine at one time. This provides a wide variety of options like storing different finishes of lamination, like matte and gloss on the machine, or large volume jobs like this floor install. The entire job can be loaded onto the Kala Arkane and the production run done all at the same time. And note that the Arkane comes with an optional inline cutter that in this case trimmed the entire floor, 9 50-yard panels, perfectly straight with no drifting at all, which saves production time and ensures quality. See how the next rolls are prepped and ready to go as the previous rolls are being laminated. This reduces waste and ensures the ultimate quality and focus. With the Kala Arkane, you can have the perfect combination of quality, durability, and efficiency. For more information and to purchase the Kala Arkane, go to kala.fr today.